It's time to get rid of this. I had this swing for a little while, not in my bird's cage, outside the cages, right here. And I always had an eye on my birds when they were playing in that area, because I know that some birds, they chew on this, which is very, very detrimental for them. They can have their crop impacted, which means they cannot have more food in their body. And sometimes they die because of this. But if your bird is not actually chewing on it, then it's fine because it's soft and they like to climb on it. The problem is I started seeing my budgies chewing on this part here. So it's time to get rid of this and get something a little bit more natural. So garbage. I could not find a swing in another material, a swing that was similar to this, similar size, but I find a boing. See how this is like, this is good material. This is natural material. And here we are. Much better, all natural. Now, I still have a little bit of, I have one fabric bong right there. I have this rope, another rope. But these ones, they don't have that plushy little fabric at the end, and they haven't started to chew on it. But if I see they do, I'm gonna have to switch to natural. So moral of the story is be careful what you buy for your birds. Not all toys that are being sold as bird safe or good for your birds are necessarily actually good for your birds. Do your research. And if you want to know where I got this and where I get most of my toys, there will be a link down below for... Hi! Lucy decided to come see me. Are you okay, baby? Look, there will be a link for a video talking about that store. I'm distracted. Bye.